Do you wanna know the last information about the crypto world? Smash the like button. It's time for Crypto News, Crypto to the Max with Rodrigo Arnedo. Today, happy because we are above $60,000. Again, we have here Donald Trump and Elon Musk just dancing, but we wonder what's gonna happen in the future. Because remember this meme about death calling different numbers? Well, we have Bitcoin now calling at this door. It's always 60K. Sometimes we are above it, sometimes we are below it. Right now, above it, but we'll see in the next future. Remember to smash the like button and watch all the videos so you know. And today we are going to analyze, for example, this piece of information, which is Mario so sad watching his portfolio because he wants Bitcoin to be above $60,000, but not just for some hours, all the time. And there comes Kevin Svensson telling us that maybe we are in this triangle, and then the target is $68,000. That's an explosion for Bitcoin. We just need to break the triangle. We'll see if we are capable or not. We are following as crazy what I told you, my crazy theories. Remember, I'm not expert. This is not financial advisor, but we are following this chart with the moving averages and the death cross, where I started to thought that maybe we have a pump on Friday, as we had the last one, as we had here and here. You can see those are huge wicks and huge candles in the green. So maybe we have that situation and not the last two Fridays here in the red. What do you think about that? Also consider how we are following this chart from 2016. Remember that you have this in previous videos. Just watch them all. We are 27 days away to the Fed's decisions. So it's been long, but we are almost there. And we are just 74 days before we have election year in United States. Again, you have this chart and you have this other chart in previous videos. If that's something of your interest, go there and watch it. We told you also the importance about dollar, and we broke this line. Now it seems it's trying to find support in this other line that we were considering in the past. We'll see if dollar keeps on going down. Of course, good for stock market. But yesterday, it went down in United States. Today, not bad in Japan and quite bad in China. We'll see, because even though this happened in the Asian market, we are going up. So maybe more related with Japan today? Who knows? Matthew Highline just reminding us that we are doing these steps in this stair to the moon. So again, we need to break the triangle. We need to break also this rectangle and go up. The same idea from Titan of Crypto. It's a deja vu. Current market structure and sentiment feel early similar to 2023. And our friend Max telling us that Bitcoin may be forming a possible double bottom pattern that would bring us not to 68,000 but to $90,000. Titan of Crypto goes higher in his prediction, and according to the hammer that we created in the weekly, he expects still Bitcoin rising at some point to this target zone in the 130,000K. And really interesting to watch. Long time we don't visit this Bitcoin spiral clock. So if we consider what time is it right now, we are at 1 o'clock. This is price action for Bitcoin in an spiral. We have here all the halving events. So we have the 4-year cycles, and you can see that it's quite interesting. We might be in the mid peak if we go to 130, and then we have from here to 430 all mid peaks and then the top peaks, but this one in 2011. So you can tell that we were waiting for all this part of this clock, but we are in the most interesting one right now. Did you know why your buy hurts? Well, it is because you don't have Bitcoin enough. Maybe you are FOMOing right now. I understand the bubbles are in the crazy green. We have AVAX, we have AIs, we have L2s, we have everything going up, even the meme coins the animal coins are going up. When Grayscale is launching a new Avalanche trust, that's why Avalanche did so well. But maybe we are still a little bit in fear because of news, the bad news in the market, like some fiascos out there. Remember Binance and all the trouble with the regulation in United States? Well, ZZ is going to be out of prison soon. Binance founder has moved to a halfway house, so he's not free, as you might read out there, but he is gonna be there. The date for his release is September 29th. So we have 6 more weeks until the sentence is through, and in this halfway house, he's going to have some parties, allegedly. BNB, after CZ make his first tweet as a kind of Freeman, well, it went up. You can see it here in the weekly, how BNB is getting closer and closer to the all-time high. And this is good for the market. This is FOMO for everybody, and it's good for our portfolio. But remember, we told you also yesterday that Tron TRX might get to that all-time high first. Not BNB, but Tron may be the one. But now we have this bad news that Justin Sun's USDD stablecoin is no longer backed with Bitcoin. So now the idea might be that we still have one more fiasco out there. Remember Terra and what happened with that stablecoin? Well, maybe Justin Sun is going to do one like this. Maybe ZZ is going to be out of prison. Maybe we need to fill that gap, and this is going to be with Justin Sun in the future. We'll see about that. And we pray that we don't have the same situation with USDD as we had with Terra. But right now, it's crazy to think that he's moving money from this allegedly back plan. And in my opinion, probably he's putting all this money, 729 million, into probably this meme coin platform he's trying to push. So yeah, maybe the last fiasco out there. What do you know about this? What information you have? Leave a comment below so we can keep on learning together. Not all bad news about stable coins. Tether to launch a stablecoin pegged to the UAI dirham. Interesting. And a bad one. McDonald's Instagram account post a crypto rug pull after being hacked. So this guy, this hacker, was able of making 700k shilling Grimm's meme coin, and then rug pulled it. So be careful out there. Again, do not FOMO with cryptocurrencies. Also bad, we told you in the last crypto news that Kamala Harris is backing President Biden's 44.6 capital gains tax proposal, the highest in history. And also the proposal includes a 25% tax on unrealized gains for high net worth individuals. But I found this picture very funny. 25% tax on unrealized gains when I only have unrealized losses. So we are good, family. We are just fine. And we are fine because of this tweet from Duo9. I'm loving it. She's like trying to be bearish, but just can't. Why? Because of the global money supply. Another piece of information that might make Bitcoin explode. Measured in USD, just had a breakout. Yeah, it's helicopter money, he says. Look at the chart, and what you notice, when the blue line goes up, then Bitcoin price follows soon after with a massive bull market ahead. So maybe this is the case again. Consider that BlackRock and Fidelity now hold combined 529,000 Bitcoin worth $32 billion. They are not going to want this to fail. Also, Hong Kong Bitcoin ETFs saw 50 million in inflows today, the highest in a month. And what about Ethereum? Well, BlackRock's spot Ethereum ETF surpassed $1 billion. So good news out there. So that from Franklin Templeton comes this information. Wall Street underestimates Bitcoin's enormous scale. And what about Coinbase? Coinbase customers can now send up to 10K instantly via Bitcoin Lightning. Coinbase has over 100 million users. All this crazy fuss about meme coins and different coins. Remember, you can just watch it on dextools.io. They just had this tweet. Hey, BNB community, Simon's Can meme has officially found its charting home with Dex Tools. And when you have that, well, you see the price of this thing with crazy up. So be careful out there with speculation and degeneration. But if you want information about all this, maybe it's a good idea to follow dextools.io. You have the link in the description below. Remember that we are going to be with them on Galicia 13-14 September with Block Galicia Edition 2. So if you want 30% on the tickets, we have just 10 of those tickets with discount, then use the code FUNRIDE24 when you acquire them, link in the description below. And I'll see you in Galicia, of course. Let's talk a little bit about other altcoins like Chainlink. It's going up. So that's another one that I have my eyes on. Remember that we have a discount for Trezor, 20% discount, of course, if you buy one of these, and a 10% discount if you want coin tracking, the portfolio tracker that I use also for my taxes afterwards. Cardano, what about it? Well, we went up yesterday. We are expecting this hard fork, as we told you in previous video, watch them all. But yesterday we just validated another block. So we are in a row. Come with us if you have some Cardano, if you want to help us. Thank you very much. That's a wrap for today when we have this cat trading like crazy. But remember that it's not all trading and making money out there. More important than that, in my opinion, is love and friendship. So go out there and find a friend. Maybe tell him about AI News, our channel about artificial intelligence, or maybe about CryptoNews and all the videos we have here. With Rodrigo Arnedo, fun on the ride, health, money, love, poor in peace, and the best is yet to come.